Hey, what's up, guys? So today we got the Ram 1500 2019. We're going to be changing the oil. What you're going to need for this, you're going to need something to drain the oil into, a ratchet, a 13mm socket. You can use this to grasp onto the oil filter. You need a funnel so you don't make a mess. Some rags in case you make a mess. I got the 5W20 full synthetic, and this is the Fram oil filter I got. Extra guard. All right, let's get started. So the truck's already pretty high up, so I don't have to jack it up, but I'm gonna pop the hood. All right, so all we're gonna do is unscrew the oil cap just to get better airflow for when I pull the drain plug underneath. So I'm gonna grab my ratchet and socket and grab this oil pan. I'm gonna come in from the side. It's easier. There it is, the 13mm drain plug. There we go, I cracked it. Let me situate my pan better before it starts pouring. Alright. I'm keeping pressure on the drain pan so that when I pull the plug out, it doesn't go all over my arms. And there we go, clean hands. Scoot back a little more. There we go. So last draining, let's go get the filter loose. Yeah. I like to put a little oil right here. Some people even fill it up a bit, but yeah. Let's put the oil, lube it up. All right. Let's grab our little attachment. Okay. So the oil filter is gonna be right there. So let me see. easiest way to grab this is probably through right here. Yep. So it's already pretty loose, so I'm just gonna wait for this to finish draining. Hey guys, so I don't know what happened, but I was filming and I guess my video paused, but I basically showed y'all where the drain plug is and where the oil filter is. So once the oil's drained, you just put back on the drain plug and then you undo the oil filter. It gets a little messy, but after you undo it, you just wipe it down, put the new filter in, and then fill the vehicle with oil. The 2019 Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi, it takes 6.9 quarts. And then to reset the oil life, it's simple. You just put the key to the run position and cycle through the menu, and it'll say, do you want to reset oil? Yes. Alright guys, subscribe if you like my video. See you guys next time.